Hi guys, this is Susu. Let me introduce to you this is Loki sofa. Actually, during this year, people always want family, friends, and when we meet together and we want to stay together. So this is one. When we design it, we inspire. Just think about that, and friendship and family. Even dinner, after dinner party, they can take very closely sitting together and talk something. And this is inspired by our very modern and minimalism style. And you will see, and this is small design, looks very native, right? So I think young people will like this is curved style and with ottoman pool together. So if you like this is model, please give us like.